Exploring the enchanting landscape of Zhangjiajie National Forest, China. Nestled in the Hunan province of China lies a natural wonderland that seems plucked straight from a painting, Zhangjiajie National Forest Park. Renowned for its towering sandstone pillars, lush forests, and mist-shrouded valleys, this UNESCO World Heritage Site captivates visitors with its otherworldly beauty and rich biodiversity. Let's embark on a journey to unravel the secrets and splendor of Zhangjiajie. Geological marvels. Zhangjiajie's most iconic features are its quartzite sandstone pillars, which rise dramatically from the forest floor, earning them the moniker Avatar Mountains after inspiring the landscapes in James Cameron's film. These pillars, some stretching over 200 meters high, were formed over millions of years of erosion, resulting in unique formations like the Southern Sky Column, Hallelujah Mountain, and the First Bridge Under Heaven. Enchanting flora and fauna. Within Zhangjiajie's emerald embrace thrives a diverse array of plant and animal life. Towering cedar trees, ancient ginkgo bilobas, and vibrant azaleas blanket the landscape, creating a tapestry of color and texture. Meanwhile, elusive species such as the clouded leopard, golden pheasant, and the endangered Chinese giant salamander inhabit the park's secluded corners, offering glimpses into China's rich ecological heritage. Cultural treasures. Beyond its natural splendor, Zhangjiajie is steeped in cultural significance. The indigenous Tujia and Miao ethnic minorities have called this region home for centuries, leaving behind a legacy of folklore, traditions, and architectural marvels. Visitors can immerse themselves in Tujia customs, from sampling traditional cuisine to witnessing intricate embroidery demonstrations, or marvel at the ancient stilted houses perched atop the mist-covered hillsides. Adventure and exploration. Zhangjiajie beckons adventurers and nature enthusiasts alike with its myriad of outdoor activities. Hiking trails crisscross the park, leading intrepid explorers to hidden waterfalls, tranquil lakes, and panoramic viewpoints. For the daring, the exhilarating glass-bottomed Zhangjiajie Grand Canyon Bridge offers unmatched views of the valley below, while the Bailong Elevator, one of the world's tallest outdoor elevators, ascends the sheer cliff faces with dizzying speed. Conservation efforts. Recognizing the importance of preserving Zhangjiajie's natural heritage, conservation efforts have been paramount. Sustainable tourism practices, including visitor quotas and designated trails, help mitigate human impact on the delicate ecosystem. Additionally, ongoing research and habitat restoration initiatives aim to safeguard the park's biodiversity for future generations to enjoy.